Hello students, myself Suriraj, Faculty of Physics. Today we are going to discuss the red color of sky and sun during sunset and sunrise. We know that at the time of sunset and sunrise, we can observe sun and sky in red color. We are going to discuss what is the physical phenomenon, what is the physical principle behind that phenomenon. Okay, so let us consider our earth. This is our earth. We know that shape of earth is geoid. And we have to consider a person who is observing the sky or sun. That person is technically called as observer. The person who watches our object is technically called as observer. So we have to consider an observer. Yeah, he is our observer. We know that during sunset and sunrise, sun is far apart from observer's eye. During sunset and sunrise, sun is far apart from observer's eye. Yeah, sun is situated here. It is far apart from observer's eye in sunset and sunrise. We know that from the sun the 7 component colors are coming. Violet to red, violet to indigo, etc. to red. But we can see the sun in red color. Why? Because the high frequency region or low wavelength region, they are violet, indigo, blue, green, etc. will scattered off. They will not reach at the earth. They will not reach at the observer's eye. The low wavelength region of the spectrum, the low wavelength region, that means violet, indigo, blue, green, etc. will not reach at the observer's eye. Instead of these colors, red will reach at observer's eye. Why red is reaching at observer's eye? The reason behind that is, out of the 7 component colors, red has the highest wavelength. So the low wavelength region, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, etc. get scattered off. They get scattered off. They will not reach at observer's eye because sun is far apart from observer's eye. But the high wavelength color, red will reach at observer's eye. Red is the highest wavelength color, so it will reach at observer's eye. So observer observe the sky or sun in red color. I think you got the idea. Why the observer observe the sun or sky in red color? What is the reason behind that? The low wavelength region, that means violet, indigo, blue, get scattered off. They will not reach at the observer's eye. Whereas the high wavelength color, that is red, that will definitely reach at observer's eye. If red is reached at observer's eye, observer observe the sun in red color. This is the reason behind the red color of sky and sun during sunset and sunrise. Next, we are going to discuss Tyndall effect. In this figure, it is clear that the track of light is clear and we can observe and we can watch the track of light in that figure. Why it happened? What is the reason behind that? What is the physical phenomenon behind that? So dear students, in this figure it is clear that light is traveling through some medium and the track of light is clear in this figure. That means when light is traveling through colloidal solution and suspension, when light is traveling through colloidal solution and suspension, the tiny particles get illuminated. When light is traveling through the colloidal solution and suspension, the tiny particles get illuminated. Due to the illumination of tiny particles, we can detect the path or track of light. So in this figure, the track of light is clear or the path of light is clear. Why? When light is traveling through colloidal solution or suspension, the tiny particles present in that solution will get illuminated. Due to the illumination of particles, we can see the track of light. This effect is technically called as a Tyndall effect. Now we are going to discuss light pollution, the pollution related with the light. The presence of excess light, the availability of excess light as shown in the figure will produce light pollution. The presence or the availability of excess light will produce light pollution. Thank you. See you in next class.